Hi, it's Sarah from OkieDokeyCabins&Castles, and I'm going to take you on a quick tour of Treetopia Treehouse. Treetopia is a treehouse dream full of all kinds of fun amenities. It's 3 stories up with glass floors and lots of windows to maximize views. Let's head upstairs and see what we've got going on up here. Check out these fun candle holders coming out of the bark there. This cabin sleeps up to 10 in 3 bedrooms, one of them being this king ensuite. This balcony overlooks the outdoor movie theater, and there's also a fun whimsical bathroom that is very treehousey, the design incorporating a lot of natural elements. There's a massage chair in the corner for ultimate relaxation, and this bedroom is perfect for the ones who want a little more privacy. The hallway has open viewing to the downstairs living area. Also, there is a Miss Pac-Man game located here for the Miss Pac-Man aficionados. There's a triple bunk room, and let's head upstairs and see what awaits us here. There are definitely great views to be had in this viewing room. You can see all around the treehouse, but this is probably for the more adventurous. There's a loft net up here that is 6 stories up. While Treetopia is the perfect cabin for families and adventurers, it's also a great respite for couples. With a soothing waterfall as your backdrop and the automatic rollout bed, this cabin is perfect for couples wishing to reconnect. Yes, the bed does roll out with a push of a button. There's also an outdoor bathing oasis with a soaking tub and a shower. But no worries, there's a luxurious spa-like bathroom attached to this ensuite as well that's indoors. While this cabin is super relaxing, there's also lots of adventure, so let's check some of that out. The fastest way to all of the adventure is the slide, and at OkieDokeyCabins&Castles, we always take the slide. I bet you weren't expecting to see a tetherball out here. There's also a fire pit. I'm not sure why I missed the fire pit. It sleeps 10. It has a custom fire ring that says Treetopia Treehouse. It's beautiful at night. It's all lit up. I'm really sad that I missed that in this video, but you can check out our other videos and see that. Let's walk along the decked pathway to underneath the treehouse and check out what we have going on over there. The first thing you'll notice is the nest bed and all the swings. This is where the waterfall comes out into a little pond area. There's a little creek that feeds into that. There's some seating down there so you could have dinner, and I'll show you a little bit more of that in just a minute. But the slide, the view of the slide is just so much fun. This is where the glass floor looks out onto when you first step into Treetopia. Look at that hot tub perched 3 stories up. From down here, you really get an appreciation of just how high up everything is. This nest bed is one of my favorite features. There's a light on the inside, and when you turn it on at night, it makes the whole nest bed absolutely glow. It's so pretty. It's the perfect place to have a little charcuterie and a glass of wine or a snack. You might be wondering, how do I get the snacks down? Well, let me show you. You could slide down the slide with them if you were so inclined, but let me recommend our snack delivery system. Treetopia Treehouse has a state-of-the-art snack delivery system. You only need a friend to lower the basket down and voila, snacks delivered to you while you lounge. Treetopia Treehouse sleeps up to 10 in 2 ensuites and 1 triple bunk. It's a treehouse dream, and it's the perfect respite for a family, a girls' weekend, or even a couple's retreat. You can book this cabin at OkieDokeyCabins.com.